So what is Cinema 4D and who uses it? Well, Cinema 4D is a 3D modeling, animation, and rendering application developed by Maxon Computers. The techie answer is that it's capable of procedural and polygonal modeling, animating, lighting, texturing, and rendering. Now, as far as I'm concerned, it's just a really fun program that I can lose a whole afternoon in. So who's using the program? Well, I've come over to the Maxon website so that you can take a look and see for yourself. Only some of the biggest movie studios in the world. Let's just take a look. Surf's Up by Sony Pictures. Open Season by Sony Pictures. I think we all know this one. Polar Express. This type of film work used to be the domain of 3D packages like Maya or 3D Studio Max, but Cinema 4D has definitely jumped into the race. Go over here and take a look at some architecture. Just some beautiful buildings, all created in Cinema 4D. Come over here and take a look at some of the other engineering. I mean, you can do some very detailed modeling. The tool set is extensive, and compared to other 3D packages, it's very easy to learn. I mean, wow, look at that. And one of the best parts about Cinema 4D is how well it plays with compositing programs like After Effects, and actually works with the whole Adobe suite. So after you've built your animation and your models in the 3D package, it's easy to take these out, export them over to something like After Effects, and do all of your compositing work in there. This is a really nice workflow, and probably one of the reasons that a lot of the big studios are starting to use it more and more. Okay, with that in mind, let's move on.